Thanks for coming back to my channel again. Here's a quick preview of the Rise of the Machines drone exhibitions from London this week. Enjoy. Things to watch out for if you want to stick around in this video: 3D mapper, amphibious drone, and the thermal imaging dome. Enjoy. This is a waterproof drone, but I'm not really sure how good a waterproof it is. Hi. I got a guy to go talk to me, but here's a video. He's trying to show me something. What? Kidding. Oh, that's brilliant. Here's one of the unique examples.
Can you tell us a little bit about what it does? So this is the cockpit. It's for interchangeable with different applications. There is a thermal camera option.
Yeah.
At the moment it is this display there.
This is probably the biggest drone here. It's a proper UAV.
Long endurance ground fly for up to 12 hours, and we can carry a payload of up to 15 kilograms. And as such, we can integrate the whole variety of technical surveys, technical survey sensors. So we've integrated an aeromagnetic sensor for geophysical survey. We've integrated a 50 megapixel camera mounted in a gimbal.
Okay, I love the camera. I'm not sure about the drone though. Let me try and zoom in. I love this drone. What happens is, this actually shifts while it goes on the cruising mode. And what's your name?
Pierre.
Pierre was explaining me how it actually works.
Yeah.
What's the distance of these things?
The distance, when we talk about the flight duration, we're talking about 60 minutes with a Trinity, and with a Tron, the bigger one, the bigger brother, we're talking about 90 minutes. 90 flight time, yeah.
So I've seen a couple of sensors up there. What's that? That's the angle of attack thing, is it?
Yeah, it's not sensor exactly. Okay. Correct. What you can see here is the EF9, the PPK antenna. These little lights, they're off at the moment.
Yeah.
Anti-collision lights.
And the whole thing is made of what? Foam?
It's a special foam material called Elapor. It's very durable.
It's something for your safety of your drone. It's a drone cage. Makes it ugly though. So Monica's showing me the 3D scanner, and I've asked a question of how much data it would take, say for an square kilometer, because it's a 3D scanner. So I'm guessing it's going to be large volume. So I'm just trying to figure out if it can handle, or a normal computer can handle, the processing. So yeah, Monica, say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, what do you have?
So you've got 8-minute scan.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the size for the file, for the LAZ file.
That's like,
which is
like
1.1 gig.
Yeah.
1 gig of a file.
This is a weird one. I would have loved to see this fly. It's a box. That's it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You know this channel is only going to get better. Enjoy, and we'll come back with more videos. So these are the most normal drones I've found. So far. Probably there for sale only. You know that name probably.